Go home happy with the 2024 Toyota Tundra. Here's a boldly beautiful Tundra that delivers serious strength and upscale comfort. Engineered to maximize towing and handling stability, this handsome truck also spoils you with a smooth ride and premium cabin loaded with amenities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, keyless entry, sun, moon roof, navigation system, keyless start, adaptive cruise control, fog lamps. Relax and enjoy the adventure in this can-do Tundra. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.